Good morning, everyone. I am Assistant Professor M. Kutwal. Today we discuss Agro 111 Fundamentals of Agronomy first. This is our important course in our department. So, in that first topic we discussed today, the agriculture, agronomy, its definition, importance, and scope, role of agronomist and relation with the other sciences. So agriculture can easily define as the art and science and business of producing crops and livestock for economic purpose. So this is the simple definition of agriculture. So means in that terms we can derive from Latin words. This agar or agri means soil and cultura means cultivation. Two Latin words derive from this agriculture or agri and cultivation. So this is the main basic meaning of agriculture. So cultivation of a field or soil. This is the agriculture. So agronomy, one of the important branch of agriculture science, which deals with the principles and practices of soil, water, and crop management practices. So this is the nothing but a heart of agriculture. Agronomy is a heart of agriculture due to the this agronomy word derived from Greek words. Two Greek words, agros means field and nomos to manage. So these agros and nomos to indicate or define the agronomy. So field management means agronomy. So all kind of field management practices we can carry out in agronomy session. So all field production or crop production which are beneficial importance of this agronomy. So agronomy very important department for us. So what are the scope of agronomy we can discuss here. So agronomy is a dynamic discipline. It has wide scope. Field of agronomy, it is the very vast due to the very important. So it includes art of soil management, crop production, proper method of tillage, suitable period for cultivation, a right time for sowing, proper methods of sowing, and maintaining farm implements and machineries in proper effect manner, so obtain maximum yield. So this is the our important scope. So basically this agronomy is also concerned with management of livestock, including their feeding management and disposal of farm and animal products like milk and eggs, as well as proper maintenance of farm accounts. So this is the very vast scope of agronomy. So very important of importance of the agronomy. So basically this agronomy when we study under the scientific research, so agronomy helpful to us. So agronomy also involved in the scientific study of behavior of plant under different conditions like varying soil and climate, irrigation and fertilizer, etc. So agronomy also conducting different experiments in field plots and laboratories. So they can very effective or analyze different techniques to farmer, and it also involve in the application of a research outcome in the develop a suitable package of practices for a particular crop under given site of soil and climatic condition. So these scientific scopes of agronomy. So then we discuss the agronomy and its relation with other basic sciences. So agronomy, one of the applied science which are largely dependent on basic and other applied sciences. So firstly we discuss in list the basic sciences. So chemistry, physics, mathematics, botany, zoology, economic, genetics and ecology. These are the different basic sciences which are very helpful to our agronomy and to maximum crop production and field management practices. Then we discuss different applied sciences. In that, first one is the agriculture chemistry, second agriculture botany, horticulture, agriculture entomology and plant pathology. These are the plant protection department. And animal science and dairy science. So animal husbandry, rearing and dairy products, milk production. So agricultural engineering also very important relation for the different tillage and implement practices which are carried out in farm. So this very usefulness of the agriculture implements to different improve tools, implements and farm machineries are required for the uh, farm operations. So besides this also include use of micro irrigation system and is suitable for the different crops. When we discuss the agricultural entomology and plant pathology, these are the essential to management of pests and diseases. Similarly, known to knowledge of microbiology is the also essential to use the biofertilizers and in agriculture. So botany and horticulture and chemistry. So in that, firstly chemistry, it will be more important science. It includes or it consists of soil, plant, water, environment and fertilizer relationships. And these have to knowledge of help of soil science is to necessary to management of saline soil, acidic, alkali, saline alkali lands and application of the fertilizers. Then after we discuss the relation with agricultural botany. So it can be very useful for the genetic potential of different crops and maximize the yield of different cultivars. So it is useful to involving selecting crop varieties, hybrids suitable for the particular regions. So agriculture botany includes plant morphology, plant physiology and plant breeding. Then we discuss the agriculture horticulture. So horticulture also concerns with the vegetables, flowers and fruit production. These are the highly remunerative crops two includes in the cropping system for increasing net profit. So these all sciences of agriculture related or they will be help to agronomy for the field and management. So agroforestry and agriculture meteorology also very important branches of applied sciences. So agricultural forestry or agroforestry mainly concerned with the selection of suitable multipurpose and economic trees species and various agroforestry system for different eco units and from additional component to the increase the farmers income. Then we discussed agronomy with agricultural meteorology. It will be deals with the crop suitable to regional climate. So agrometeorology, that is the study of the weather and climatic condition, and it will be optimum use for the weather to stabilize yield under the erratic weather and attempt to optimize yield. So crop planning, energy and water balance, protection of crop against the pest, diseases, and pathogens. Operations, different farm operations, and yield. Also, the weather predictions are very useful. So, prediction by given these agricultural meteorology, day to day, short, medium, and long forecasting, very useful to the manage the different farm operations. So these are also very important. Then after agriculture economics and agriculture extension, so they can very basically basic sciences which are helpful to the marketing system, and to extend the information of our marketing system of our product also. So these applied sciences are very useful to us. So it needs to help the all applied sciences in increasing the crop production with least investment for getting maximum profit from the farm business. All applied sciences are closely related with each other, and no branch can progress without the help of each other. So they can be uh, relating to each other. So after that we discuss the role of agronomist. So role of agronomist, basically this one of the key person of or coordinator of different subject matter facilities. So basically agronomy, it can be study the plant relation to soil and climate. So basically agronomists are play important role to deals with the principles and practices of crop production and field management. This farm management or crop production management are he also concerned the uh, to maximum production of food, fiber, fuel, and etc. So it can be more successful person to the our cropping system. The agronomy's main aim is obtaining maximum production at a minimum cost. So it will be reduce the cost and maximum production within effective management practices. So agronomists exploit the knowledge development by basic and applied sciences for higher crop production. So agronomists concerned with the production of food and fiber and to meet the need of a growing population. So it very knowledgeable person. They will be coordinate to other applied sciences, and it will be very to successful of crop production and yield. So these are the important parts we discussed here. So agronomists also concerned with the research, scientific cultivation of crops, taking into the accounts the effect of factors like soil, climate, variety of crop, and adjust production techniques. So suitably depending on the situation. So agronomist conducting different experiments on growing time, sowing time, seed rate, spacing, fertilizer requirement, irrigation requirement, weed management in different crops and cropping system. So these are the important roles of agronomist can play in our field management practices. So thank you for